Welcome, Dr. Novick from Anger Class Online. Could you tell me a little bit about Anger Class Online?
Sure. Anger Class Online is an internet-based anger management class that can be taken from any location in the country, or even the world for that matter, as long as you have a computer and internet access. It's set up like any quality distance learning program that you might take from a major university. And it's a combination of quality content, quizzes, pictorials. Ultimately, there's a final exam that the participant has to take at the end. But it's all internet-based. There's nothing to download. It's interactive from the standpoint of you have the ability to communicate with me directly, as well as watch a variety of different videos that reinforce the material. And it mimics really what is taught in our live programs as well.
Dr. Novick, what are the advantages of taking an online class?
There are a lot of advantages to taking an online program versus a traditional program. Some of those advantages include the flexibility of time. You don't have to commit to attending the class at a specific time. You can take the class whenever it's best for you. Like most of us, our schedules are often difficult to coordinate attending a physical program, and sometimes even finding a physical program can be really difficult. With our class, it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's completely self-paced, so you can work on as little or as much as you'd like each time you log on and off. The other nice thing about an online class is that it allows you to remain anonymous. So no one has to know that you're taking the class, and while that's not an issue for many people, it certainly allows for that. And another advantage to it as well is you have the ability to complete the course at a pace that's convenient for you. Sometimes folks have requirements where they need to complete a class quickly, and they can do that. For others, they can take the course over several weeks or months.
Dr. Novick, I know there are different classes out there. What should a consumer be aware of in choosing the right provider?
Well, it's really important to choose the right provider, especially when you're considering taking an online anger management class. A couple things that you may want to do when you're investigating a particular program. One, I would certainly contact the provider, make sure they have quality and quick customer service. I would make sure that whoever's offering the program is licensed and trained to do so. I would make sure that the curriculum that they're using is a well-known curriculum. I would also make sure that it's truly an online class. Sometimes providers will call their program online when really it's nothing more than a series of downloaded PDF files or other files that you have to download. You really want to make sure that it's actually presented in an online format, that it's not just a PowerPoint presentation that you're watching online, that it's truly set up as an interactive online classroom. Those are the things that you want to make sure that you consider. The other thing too is making sure that you take a class from someone with a proven track record, someone who's been around for a long time and who's been offering the programs for a long time, both in a brick and mortar setting as well as an online setting. Oftentimes you have classes that are just online, and it's hard to really know if the provider actually has any experience offering such courses. In our case, we've been offering anger management programs for about 8 years, and our online class coming on 4 years. So we're very familiar with the way an anger management class should be taught, the material that should be in it, and the presentation of the program.
All right, Dr. Novick, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.